Hello everyone, this is Kundan and you are watching my YouTube channel Speak English with Kundan. So now in this video we are going to talk about a very special topic. Do you feel shy? Do you hesitate while speaking English? So this is the very common topic. So when you start speaking, so that time you feel shy, you feel hesitate. Okay, so it happens with everybody during a starting time. So when I was learning English, so that time I was also faced this problem. I was also suffered this problem. So that's why I have chosen this topic, and let's talk about clearly on this topic. So are you ready? If you are ready, then let's go. So my dear friends, most of you think that we will start speaking after becoming fluent, after becoming expert in this language. Okay, am I right? So you think like this, and you think also when we command on vocabulary, when we be expert in daily sentences as well as grammar rules. Okay, then we will start speaking and we can talk to each other, because that time we will be fluent. And you think also, if I speak in front of someone, if I speak with somebody, so that time if I'll make mistake, if I'll do some mistake, then people are started laughing at us. And they think also, when we speak with someone, when we speak in front of someone, that time we'll make mistakes. So we will do some mistakes. So that time people are started laughing at us. So that's why we will not speak right now. And when we become fluent in this language, fluent in grammar, fluent in words meaning, fluent in sentences, daily sentences, that time we will start speaking. And they think also, if right now, now we will start speaking in English, and we will talk together with someone and with anybody and in front of someone. So that time if we will make mistake, then people will started laughing at us. So that time they will make fun of us. So that time we will feel very shy, very embarrassed. So what we'll do that time? So that's why we will not speak right now. And when we become fluent in English, fluent in grammar, fluent in vocabs, fluent in daily sentences, so that time we will start speaking. After 5 months, after 6 months, after 2 years, after 3 years, that time, after these times we will start speaking. We will start speaking together, with anybody and in front of anybody. So my dear friends, tell me, this is right? So whatever you have taken decision, you will be speak after some time, after 5 months, after 1 year. So whatever you have taken decision, that is right or wrong? Tell me. If you are also thinking like this, then if you are thinking also like this, then there is no difference between you and those people. Those people, they are thinking I will speak, they will speak after some time. They don't want to start right now, from right now. They don't want to start from right now. So also I am saying your thought is wrong. You all are thinking wrong. I make you sure, trust me, if you will not start speaking right now, then you can't speak even a single word after some time. You are thinking after some time, after some years, after some months, we will start speaking. That time you will be not be able to speak a sentence, even a single word, if you will be not start right now. Because no one can be fluent in any language within few months, within few days. So why are you thinking like this? You will be, after some time, you will be fluent in this language. Not start from now. Start from now. Speak whatever you have knowledge. Let me tell you one thing. No one can be fluent in any language within a month, within some days. No one can be fluent. So why are you thinking you will be fluent, you will be expert in this language? In English? Start speaking right or wrong. Don't think about it. Okay? You will not be fluent and expert in a day. Think about your childhood. When you were a kid, did you speak a long sentences at once? Did you speak? No, nothing like that. First of all, you spoke mother. then after father, then after grandfather, grandmother, and gradually you learned and improved your mother tongue. Then you kept talking in your mother tongue. So I'm sure the same rule has to be adopted here. As you learnt your mother tongue since your childhood, as you are kid, same thing apply here. Okay, I'm not saying speak English till 1 hour, till 2 hour, till whole day. At least start something, at least speak something. As much as you have knowledge, as much do you know about English. Okay, whatever you have knowledge about English, so start speaking. First apply that words, that sentences in your daily life and start speaking. Then I'm sure and trust me, if you will be start right now from today, gradually after 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you will be fluent in this language. You will be expert. So right now you are not able to speak even a single word. You are thinking what I say. So what I'm saying after that, so suppose that you are telling about yourself, suppose that you are telling about yourself with someone, my name is Kundan and I did in that class and I live in. So you are thinking, so that time you are got stuck. Why? Because you didn't have practice of speaking, and so that time words are not coming in your mind. Okay, when you will be start speaking by and by, gradually, it means slowly, then trust me, I'm sure after some time you will be fluent in this language. Okay, and take your time and from side, improve your vocabs, improve your daily sentences, improve your phrases, and learn many types of grammar rules and apply those things in your daily spoken life. Then you can be fluent and you can be speak English like native speaker, better than me. You can speak English better than me, I'm sure, and trust me. So my dear friends, you all are requested, please start from today. Whatever you have knowledge, as much as you have knowledge about English, speak. So I have made a mistake. So where I'm feeling shy. So it is language. During learning language, anyone can make mistakes. So we have to learn from our mistakes. Okay, learn from your mistakes. Where are you making mistakes, and try to make that right and go ahead. Don't think, oh my God, I have made a mistake, people will laugh at me, what will say that person, what will see that person. Don't think about it. Okay, remove these negative thoughts from your mind and grab positive thoughts and keep positive thoughts in your mind and start speaking from today, right now. At last, I wanna say thanks for watching this video till the end, and if you really learned something from this video, then like and share with your friends, and don't forget subscribe this channel to get more notification like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and be the best. Bye bye guys.